Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. I think for Solana it's getting really challenging. As I mentioned to you before, if we get into this yellow zone here between these two areas, you can see how relevant that was. We touched the $30.50 level again on the spot. If we go below 30.50, then the bearish count will be in control. What is, I think, important to understand is that although we have come down now nearly to that swing low here from the 7th of September. Just purely by doing that, by coming down so much, a possible wave 2. I mean, at the moment, you can count this in 3 waves, but it is unlikely. And the problem is, because it has retraced so much, it is already likely it's going to break. I mentioned that before. Yes, this could be regarded as a triple bottom. In reality, these are very, they are very unreliable. Those triple bottoms, double bottoms, they often, in the headlines, you see a lot of people talk about them, but in reality, they often don't work out because they are a sign of weakness. Because if the chart comes back to a level so often, it means it retraces a lot. The bears still have a lot of power, right? So the yellow count is still the bullish count. We would have to expect a move up from here. I can't see anything bullish here. Yeah, I mean, unless we finally go above the $34 level and the previous swing high. This would be the absolute minimum signal the bulls would need to do. But to give the bulls still a chance here on this chart, they really need to start moving now. They really have to start moving. Now. If they don't, then there is a couple of possibilities here. There are a couple of possibilities how to count this. Yeah, a couple of possibilities in the bearish count would be that this was a 5-wave move down with a truncated low here on the 7th of September in a wave 1. This is the blue count. We had retraced in a wave 2, and we're now starting down in a wave 3. And I look at a key area here for support around the $19 and $22 level. The other possibility is that this yellow, and this is the less bearish count, because in the blue count, it would mean we have a long way to go, right? And eventually that might even take us down to below $20. The yellow count would be less bearish. It would imply that this here was a wave 4, even though I don't really like the proportions of this, and that we're now in a 5-wave move down. Now, with this 5th wave, we could make another low, yeah, but wouldn't need to go massively below the previous low. Or we could just even still hold above the previous swing low here from June. But this is what we don't know yet, and therefore this is not a chart that gives us great confidence here. If I look at what I would expect for Ethereum, for example, yeah, I think with Ethereum we still have a bit of a way to go to the downside, but should then reverse ideally. But that's still maybe another 10% down. But yeah, I mean, Solana has a chance to hold the June lows, absolutely, with that yellow count. But in my opinion, it's not very likely. I mean, it depends on what the market is doing now, right? If we lose 30.50, that's the key level, then I think we're going to see lower prices then. June, for me, what you need to understand is that the bullish count at the moment has lost in relevance with these 99% retracements that we're seeing here. We can't just get off the ground, really. We're trolling support. That is never a good sign. That's not a bullish sign. First of all, we want to have bullish signals to become more confident in the bullish count again. All of this here at the moment is not bullish. The move to the upside looked rather corrective as well. And we have possibility to count this as a wave 2 or a wave 4. Of course, we could count it as an impulse, but then the problem is we did not reverse in the green area, and this is always a warning sign, yeah, because that means in terms of retracements, we retraced too much, and that just, and then the bullish count loses relevance because it is not reliable anymore. So let's see, I think the $30.50 level is the key level. If we lose this level, then we can see the $26 level, and if we lose that, then I think we're going to see the $20 level next. Okay, and that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.